Hello everyone, I just got this 30-watt replacement power adapter. Our old one here got chewed up by our pets. You can see that right there. So I had to get this new one, so just make sure you're replacing it with it at the correct match. So again, this is a 30-watt 2-prong, and it has this barrel style connector. We needed it for our Echo device here. And this matches, again, 30-watt. It's a 6.6 foot cord, and it has that barrel connector here, and then you can see that this is powered on, so very happy about it. Looks like good quality, and your standard 2-prong power adapter. I'm happy with this. It looks like it's going to work out well for us. So if you need a replacement power adapter, a 30-watt one with the barrel connector, this is the one. This is a good one to go with. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.